Welcome to the Yamaha Garage. Thanks for joining us for useful service information and technical tips for enjoying and maintaining your Yamaha. Today we'll be demonstrating how to properly install the Yamaha Genuine Wolverine solid polycarbonate windshield for all 2021 and newer Yamaha Wolverine models. While the Yamaha Suntop is recommended for this install, it's not required. Like all Yamaha Genuine accessories, this windshield is designed by Yamaha engineers specifically for your Yamaha to provide a superior level of performance, quality, reliability, and fit. This full optical grade polycarbonate windshield is an outstanding accessory addition to your Wolverine with a hard coating on both sides, making it extremely durable, scratch and shatter resistant, along with providing a full layer of protection against the elements. It's also super easy to install and remove with the provided quick release clamps. You can find it along with other superior Yamaha Genuine accessories at your local Yamaha dealership or shop online at www.yamaha-motor.com. So let's get started by prepping your Wolverine, your workspace, and ensuring you have all needed tools and hardware. We want the vehicle to be clean and parked on a secure, level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged. You also want to make sure the work area has a scratch-free level surface for assembling your windshield. We like to use a moving blanket or a towel on a flat surface to lay out the parts and tools. The only tools needed for this install are a torque wrench capable of measuring less than 5 pound-feet. A small pound-inch wrench is the best option, and a 4mm hex head bit for your torque wrench. And finally, here's a list of all the hardware provided in the kit. This is a simple installation, so expect it to take 5 to 10 minutes with a Yamaha difficulty rating of 1 wrench, or easy on our difficulty scale. To begin, let's place your blanket or towel between the windshield and work surfaces to avoid scratches while we are assembling our hardware. Our next step is to attach our 4 clamps to the windshield using our 8 bolts and washers as shown. Make sure the clamp opening is facing outward, as shown here. At this point, we just want the bolts to be partially tightened but left loose enough to move while installing our windshield. Next step, once we have our clamps loosely secured, we want to open each clamp and position the windshield assembly to your Wolverine's ROPS bars with the bottom edge positioned in the channel on the hood with enough force to compress the lower seal. Now let's ensure the top bulb seal on your windshield seals securely underneath the Suntop. Once we're satisfied with the position of our windshield, let's close the clamps around the ROPS bar under the left and right side of the windshield. Note if the clamp is either too tight or too loose to properly secure to the ROPS, they can be adjusted by opening and rotating the latch handle cam until the clamp has the proper tension to secure tightly to the ROPS. Now that we've successfully positioned and secured clamps, let's get our torque wrench and torque our 8 hex bolts to 6 Newton meters, 4.4 foot-pounds, or 53 inch-pounds. Be extremely careful not to over-torque these bolts as you can damage your windshield. And that's it. Super simple, right? You've now successfully installed your new Yamaha Genuine polycarbonate windshield and you're ready to hit the trail. Remember, a Yamaha Technical Academy Gold Tech always cleans their tools and puts them back in order after every job. And a couple final notes on caring for your new windshield. Do not drive with impaired vision due to a dirty windshield. Be sure to follow the cleaning and care instructions provided on the windshield label and avoid alkaline or acidic cleaners, solvents, or gasoline that can damage the surface. Clean only with mild detergent and water. Also remember to periodically check the torque on all hardware and retighten to the proper torque spec when needed. Thanks for watching and make sure to check out the Yamaha YouTube channel for more do-it-yourself videos and technical tips. Now let's get out and ride.